This is the flag of Indonesia. On the map of Indonesia, you can see all the islands of Indonesia, that is Sumatra, Java, Bali, Borneo, Papua. And see, this is the portion of Jakarta, the capital city. We will now move from Bangkok in Thailand to Jakarta in Indonesia. And this is Suvarnabhanik International Airport of Thailand. Very decorated airport. On flight to Jakarta, air route map is displayed in front of us in a small TV. This is Soekarno-Hatta International Airport in Jakarta. We have just now landed in Jakarta. And this is the baggage claim area. This is outside of the airport. Our guide has come already to take us to a city tour in Jakarta. After our city tour, we'll move to the hotel. Jakarta, Indonesia's massive capital, sits on the northwest coast of the island of Java. Now you can see on both sides the houses in North Jakarta. This is a low socio-economic area, so you can see all poor people living here. These are school children. This is the railway station of Jakarta. And we know this particular area was under Dutch influence. This is a historic mix of cultures: Javanese, Malay, Chinese, Arab, Indian and European. All have influenced its architecture, language and cuisine. The main post office of Jakarta. Now we'll see the museum here. This structure was made by the Dutch people for the horses to drink water. This is the Indonesian flag.
Yeah.
We will now enter into the museum. The different exhibits in the museum. These are furniture from 17th century. এটা পানিশমেন্ট রুম, এখানে পায়ে এগুলো বেঁধে রাখতো আর এই ঘরটার মধ্যে বন্দি করে রাখতো। More exhibits of furniture. After seeing the museum, we will move to the downtown. This is a big shopping mall. So we are on a city tour of Jakarta. We will have lunch here in this restaurant. This is an Indonesian restaurant, so we'll have a taste of the local Indonesian cuisine. You can see plenty of two-wheelers moving on the road.
Like that. So in one place, in the miniature of Indonesia, you can see all of Indonesia, about of Indonesia, the housing from another island, from another province. You see there at the.
We are moving to visit mini Indonesia, where the different lifestyle of different islands of Indonesia are displayed in a big park. So it is called mini Indonesia. This is the central bus stop of rapid transit system. It has an exclusive road for its own transport system. The busy downtown of Jakarta. The old town Kota Tua is home to Dutch colonial buildings. Glodok, Jakarta's Chinatown, and the old port of Sunda Kelapa were traditional wooden schooners. Jakarta is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities of Southeast Asia, established in the 4th century as Sunda Kelapa. The city became an important trading port for the Sunda kingdom. We are passing by the National Museum of Jakarta. At one time, it was de facto capital of the Dutch East Indies when it was known as Batavia. This is the Saniform Pacific 5-star hotel. Jakarta was officially a city within West Java until 1960, when its official status was changed to province with a special capital region distinction. Now we are in central Jakarta. This is the welcome statue in the middle of the road. We are going to mini Indonesia, the main mosque of Jakarta. Finally, after a small drive, we have reached mini Indonesia.
Indonesian Museum. This is the Bali style.
Oh, Bali style.
Bali style.
Indonesian Museum.
Indonesian Museum. There is the housing style in the Bengkulu province. Bengkulu, yes.
Bengkulu.
That's the only replica the map of Indonesia, like Sumatra Island, many active mountain in Sumatra and in Java Island until the Papua Island. If you take the cable car, you see
the whole. This is the replica of West Sumatra. This is the replica of the Sumatra Island as a whole.
Always?
Win.
Win.
Win. Oh.
Yeah, winner, yes, always win. If they fighting with another province, like from North Sumatra or South Sumatra, they'll always win.
Here you can see the houses are shaped like buffaloes.
Suharto, wife of Suharto, the
Mini Indonesia.
Yes, Indonesia.
আমরা এখন দেখছি মিনি ইন্দোনেশিয়া. This portion is not Sumatra. This place is from East Kalimantan. This is from Maluku Islands. This portion is from Papua. Replica of a famous mountain of Papua. These structures are from Sulawesi. South Sulawesi houses looks like this. And you know that Sulawesi people were hunters. So they are depicted here in models as hunters. And this is from the Komodo Dragon Islands. This is finally the miniature Bali. Rini is taking a brief rest on the lawns of the complex. This portion is from Java. This is the portion of Central Java. We can see the replica of the famous Borobudur temple. So after completing the tour of mini Indonesia, we finally reached our hotel Akmani. Where we are going to stay here. Dinner at KFC restaurant. This is our next day morning. Our Jakarta tour is over. We are now moving to the airport for Bali. On our route to airport, we can see the high rises of Jakarta. So, goodbye. See my other videos of Indonesia by logging into my channel. After seeing my videos, please do like, share and comment, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel.